Kumusta mga kababayan? This is Eric from Java House Riding Club Philippine Chapter. Ito po ang first Tambike event natin and we're joining Big Bike of Pampanga dito po sa Angeles City. So if you're in the area, 400cc's to superbikes, sport bikes and cruisers, we welcome everyone. Like nyo lang po yung Facebook page namin o kaya yung Big Bike of Pampanga so you can check out the latest information. Sige po, tara na! Ride na tayo! Pagdating po dun sa destination namin, naghanap po kami ng kainan. Dito po, ang dami-daming pagpipilian, napakaraming booths, ang daming pagkain. Masarap ang mga pagkain nila dito. Pagkatapos po namin kumain at nag-hangout at nagkwentuhan, it's time to go home. Kaya po, nag-uwian na kami. Join us next time sa Tambike and Ride natin dito sa Angeles City. It doesn't matter what type of bike you have. 400cc's to superbikes, sport bikes, and cruisers. Our goal is to grow the riding community natin dito sa Angeles City. Tara na, let's ride! If you're looking to customize your wheels and much more, contact Underground Coatings. They do powder coating and sandblasting. For amazing tattoos, contact Birmingham Inc. They do traditional work and customized tattoos that's perfect just for you.